What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that being said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day. Okay, we're about to first of all look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we'll look at the prices in a little bit more details. And then we'll check on our positions. Like I tell you, I say every time, guys, you need to do this every day as a trader because that helps you make sound decisions on your trades, whether you want to increase your margin, if you want to take profits. So there's a lot of things that go into that after you do all these checks that we do every day. Me, it's different because, like I said, I have seasonal trades, which are trades you open up at the beginning of the bull run and shut them down at the end of the bull run or close to the end of something like that. And I also have trades that I take profit based on support and resistances and stuff like that. So anyways, before we get to that, guys, I see a lot of people they do this every time. You will never make money if you cannot control your emotions. Seriously, that is the biggest thing. Okay, the biggest thing is learn how to control your emotions. Understand? Excuse me. Yeah, like I said, or you want to call it another way, the name of the game is emotion control. You need to learn how to control your emotions. That's what you need to learn how to do. Because like you see, for example, let's take today as an example. The federal government is meeting today. I don't know, I think they are discussing interest rate or something like that. What do you see? People are so much fearful for the situation that Bitcoin price drops. Bitcoin price drops. You see all the people. I still can't understand why is it that when Bitcoin price goes down, people start selling their other assets. I don't get it. I don't understand it. But I guess it's like I say, it's an emotional thing. Everybody think that coins are all tied to the Bitcoin heap. Once people start getting that mentality out of the way, you will see the bull run proceed even better and higher than you think. Okay, but that is something that someday we are about to see, we will see come. But in this my millionaire journey, if you had prepared for this scenario, you would not have any problems at all. Because yesterday, if you remember, I would tell you, for example, Casper. I showed you yesterday that I was expecting Casper to drop around that 16.1. Okay, go check my videos, you will see it. So yeah, if you make preparation for that, that means you would have scaled up your positions. If you're afraid of that price action, you would have scaled up your positions and your liquidation level would have even been lower than that. Mine are way lower, so I'm not worried about it. So that is something that people need to learn. Control yourself, control the way you trade. Understand? If you as a matter of fact, okay, trading based on people emotion is what even fuels our our trades. Because I can tell FMOC meeting is on right now. They are meeting about this interest rate. As soon as the meeting is done, you are going to see the market starts to pick up. Excuse me. If I was trading on a daily basis, this would have been a perfect entry level for me. But I don't do that. I don't do it that way. I just don't like to sit in front of the screen all day monitoring the price. So yeah, you have to learn. You have to learn it. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin does. If you zoom out, the bull run is just in the third gear. The bull run is not down. It's not over with. It's just normal correction. People are afraid of simple things are making the price, move like this. Okay, so we've said it before. Patience is number one. Number two, learn how to control your emotions. Because guys, you guys are about to see, I told you guys 3 months. Okay, 3 months ago, I mean a month and a half ago, I said 3 months. You have Casper, Quant, Jasmine. You have these coins that now it's a month and a half. In a month and a half, we will look at them prices, and then you guys will see what I've been telling you all along. So this thing they're doing right now is pure manipulation. If you look at the liquidation map, Bitcoin has a lot of liquidity all the way above, I think it's $73,000. That is, there are billions of dollars worth of short liquidations up there. So yeah, it might go down, because like when I looked at it earlier this morning, yeah, it might go down to $61,000, but it will start, it might go down there, $61,000, but it will start climbing very, very fast. So I tell guys, like, do not worry about this kind of stuff. Like for example, Quant. You got Quant, and everybody, yeah, this is what we was talking about. Guys, Quant is not going lower. I can tell you that right now. I told you guys yesterday, I was expecting Quant to do this. I was expecting back, okay, he's gonna ride back there, probably $74, $73, $74, and then keep on going, because the target is way up there, 104. So guys, I will say it one more time. For you to be successful in this trading crypto or any asset at all, you need to know how to master your emotions. Control your emotion. Don't trade based on people's FOMOing in or FOMOing out. If everybody, as a matter of fact, I said it, do the opposite. See how everybody's fearful right now, they're dumping their coins. That is when you start buying. That is when you increase your margin. That is when you even do the opposite of what the masses are doing. That is how you are going to be very, very successful at this game. All right, so I don't know what else to say, guys. I've said it so many times, and again, it's not financial advice, but it works for me. It works. That's how I grew, okay? Because when I started this, I told you guys, I started this by watching, there's this guy, Crypto. I watched him, and he said, yeah, they give you free money. Once you get the free money, start trading, okay? When you start trading, take your original money out and grow that money that the exchanges gave you. You grow it. And that's exactly what I did. Guys, I signed up for Bydfi. I did sign up for Bydfi, sign up for Phemex. Bydfi, they give, after meeting their deposit requirements, I was given, I think it was like $2,000, $3,000, something like that. I started trading. Now, as you can see, there was a time my Bydfi account was up there at $30,000, $40,000. Yeah, taking profits, start going. Now, as you can see, I'm up $12,000, $13,000 on Bydfi. The same thing goes with the Phemex account. Guys, you need to learn how to control your emotion. We've been through this up and down, okay, up and down movement a lot of times. And so many times I've come, this channel has not been live for a long time, but the few times I've come off here, I've always said, do this, because that's what I'm doing. And then it worked. And then I come back here, and a few days later, I'll be like, yep, I told you so. So you do not want to miss these opportunities, guys. You don't want to miss it due to somebody else is being afraid of the market. Understand? Don't play that game with everybody else. Know what you hold, guys. Know what you hold and stand your ground. That's the only way you will succeed. Again, control your emotion. Control it. It's a meeting going on right now. It's always, I don't know, before every meeting, assets, Bitcoin, whatever you call them, usually go down. Right after the meeting, or even when Powell is speaking, you will see those prices starts to go up. It's a normal thing. It always happens, guys. It's nothing new. It's not rocket science. Understand? So I'm expecting you guys to learn how to do this. I'm expecting you guys to learn how to do this, because mastering your emotion is one of the key one of the key points you need to learn. Okay, so now let's go see how the market has been performing right quick. Let's take a look at crypto bubbles. Excuse me. Let's look at crypto bubbles right quick right there. Oh my god, look at that. Everybody afraid. when I see when I see this, I just start laughing. Anyways, now let's look. First we gotta check out King Casper. Let's go KAS right here. KAS Casper. For the past hour, we are up 0.18%, 1.4% down on the day, 2.3% down on the week. And we just started the week. 4.1% down on the month, and 215% up on the year. Looking at Quant QNT, let's go here. Quant on the last hour, we are up 0.4%. 2.3% down on the day, 4.4% down on the week, 16.1% up on the month, and 16.7% down on the year. That's the number you gotta take pay close attention to. That number 16.7. As you see, yesterday and today, it hasn't moved. It's just been staying in one place. Anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine, JAS. Now, for the past hour, 0.04% down, 6% down on the day, 0.42% down, up on the week, 13.5% up on the month, and 555% up on the year. So that's a pretty good example right there. It looks like the prices are stabilizing because the FOMC meeting is going on, and it looks like everything else is gearing again to go back where they was yesterday. And I keep saying this the whole time. You don't have to be running with the crowd. Do the opposite thing. Now let's go look at the prices in a little bit detail, which is my trading view right there. Wow, look at that. That's Casper. That's Casper. You guys remember yesterday I told you, I was expecting 16.1 or 16.2, but I guess it went a little bit down lower because we have right now at prices trading at 16 cents on the dot. So 16 cents on the dot. Excuse me. So yeah, you can see it. That's what I was talking about yesterday. I was expecting that at 16.1, but where it dipped a little lower. There you go, holding support, and it's working its way back up right as we speak. So this is just on the 1 hour. When we go on the 4 hourly, let's go here. 4 hour, yeah, we can see that 15.9, 16 cents. That's where we are. Again, there's not much thing I can tell you here. There is a worst scenario. If things go to the worst, we do have two supports. Okay, the first support was here at that 16.2, 16.1 I was expecting, and the major support is down here at 15.7. This 15.7 is the middle support for the channel that Casper is in right now. And this channel, you can see it if you go on the daily. See that? We are on the daily. You can look at it nice and easily. The middle of the channel, low of the channel, which I don't think we're going this lower. I think, whoa, look at that. We came even closer. That is even better. Look at that. Price jumped to the closer to the middle channel, and it got bought right back up. Yeah, I think we have started recovering to start going on the way back up to this 17.2 cents. This price I've been talking about for a while now. A lot of you who follow my channel know this. So yeah, the inverse head and shoulder, which again I also told you guys is happening, is taking place right now. If you look here, that's the first shoulder, that's the head, and that's the second shoulder getting formed. So we are waiting for price to break above 17.2, or even let me say 17.5. Once it breaks above it, then yeah, blue skies from there. So yeah, guys, I'm not worried about this price action because everything is just going according to plan. Now if you look at Quant QNT QNT USDT, We're taking the Binance. We are on the daily. Again, see, that's why I keep telling you guys, I am not worried about this price action. Okay, the bull flag, I guess a lot of people say, oh, it was a fake out, or a lot of people got cut into this. I will tell you guys, it's a bear trap. That's what it is. It's nothing more than that. Look, we broke out. Yeah, a lot of people are expecting price to come all the way back here, and guys, it's not happening. Look at the ribbon. We are getting supported by the ribbon. So what I'm expecting price to do, if it's going to come down, probably it's going to be that 73 right here, $73. It will bounce from there and start to go up. I've told you guys a lot of times, the target of this bull flag is $104, and we're about to see it a lot more sooner. Sometimes I think this week we are going to see a lot of things happening for quant. Just pay attention for them. Now, if you go on the, let's go on the 1 hour right quick before we go to the 4. Come on, not the weekly. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour right there. There you go. 1 hour right quick, you can see it. We are below the ribbon on the 1 hour, but the support is down here. So right now I'm expecting price, if it keeps going, it's going to bounce right back up here at this $73 mark. Going to bounce, go above the ribbon, and then start trying to break the top of the flag again. Let's see if it break out this time for good. But guys, all this price action you're looking at right now is because a lot of people are FOMOing out due to Bitcoin dropping price. What a lot of people are not looking at is, first of all, the liquidation map, which is for Bitcoin. Liquidation map, it means, I think it's about to do a lot. How did they say it in the kids that play, and they say psych, something like that. You think you're going to go this way, and then we go that way. Just watch out today. You will see. That's exactly what is going to happen. And again, every day I remind you guys, you've got to look at quant on the weekly. Okay, look at quant on the weekly, guys. This is a new week. We just started. Look, see, we close above resistance, just like I told you guys. We needed quant to close above $74, and we did close the week above $74 and above this major resistance at 72. The new week we just started right now, look at that, it's already green. So the big thing you got to look here, look, it's curving, and the target, instead of being this 104 is the first target, second target is way up there, $125. So guys, do not miss opportunity, because a lot of people are fearful. Understand? So yeah, you've got to play your own game. Stay calm. That's the only thing I can tell you. If you rush things, you are going to make a lot of losses. I had a couple of friends who wanted to get into XRP trade, and I told them, don't do it. Don't do it yet. You have to wait, because XRP is a lot over bought. Okay, a lot of them. And those of you who listen, congratulations, because today you would have been really in a bad position. See what XRP did, from 65 cents all the way down to 60, and I think it still has more room to go down before it starts to reverse. So anyways, keep an eye on that too. But anyways, now let's go look at Jasmine right quick. JASMY on the Binance. That's the one we're taking. Again, like I said, on Jasmine, I am still short-term bullish until we can conquer this 2.3 cents. Okay, that's what I'm still short-term. I'm still a little bit low, because like you can see, the 2.3 is a very, very strong resistance. Okay, now let's zoom out a little bit so you can see here. So it broke out. Okay, it came back retesting, but the retest did not hold. So probably due to Bitcoin is dumping, that's why you're looking at this price action right now. So yeah, on Jasmine there is not much to be said. As like I said, I'm expecting this 2.3 cents to be a very, very important support or resistance, one of them. Until we break above this, I am not expecting much out of Jasmine. All you can do is just have your trades, have them open, scale them up, and sit back and relax. That's all you can do, because once we break above this, Jasmine first target will be around that 4.5 cents. Okay, that's where the target is going to be, 4.5 cents. So if you go on the daily, you will see the falling wedge Let's go to daily. We broke above the falling wedge already. That's why I usually tell guys, like, okay, we are short-term bearish, but there is a lot of bullish signs on Jasmine trade. First of all, look on the daily. Okay, the ribbon is curving upwards. It's about to turn green, and look at the moving average. See how price dumped and it got supported by the moving average. Okay, you can see that as clear as the day. Let me zoom that out. As clear as the day, you can see that. So again, for me, I still think like once Bitcoin starts to move, Jasmine is going to start making those sharp moves up. And another thing I want you guys to pay attention to is look at how quickly people bought this thing back. As soon as it came down to, what was it, 2.1, look at how fast it got bought right back up. So guys, again, you need to learn how to control your emotions, or else you will lose a lot of money in this market. That's what's happening here. Okay, so yeah, Jasmine has two bullish pattern in them. Like I'm telling you guys, once we break that 2.3 cents, Jasmine is gone. It is gone for good. The first pattern is this bull flag. Okay, the target of this bull flag, excuse me, the target of this bull flag is around 12 to 13 cents. That's where the target is. And then we have this falling wedge, which typically the target of any falling wedge is the beginning of the wedge, which for Jasmine is around 4.5 cents. That's what it is. Okay, so yeah, you do not want to sit here and lose your money because people are FOMOing into a Bitcoin bearish price. Okay, please, you need to learn how to control your emotions. So yeah, let's go back here. You've seen it, okay? It's it's funny. Yeah, my neighbor has a bird. That thing, every time he would not keep quiet. So you know, animals will be animals. But anyways, back to the topic. You've seen it. Okay, you have to have your own targets, what you want. Once you have what you want right here, nobody will take that advantage. I mean, the advantage of making you stop your trades or make the wrong decisions. Once you learn how to master your emotions here and here, that's what it is. That's all you need. Okay, so now let's go look at my trades right quick. Again, I told you guys, using this information, knowing that the bull run is almost halfway, okay, you can either 5, 10, or 20x your money. Again, I do not condone leverage trading. Guys, I don't. Do not leverage trade if you don't know what you're doing, because you can easily lose your money. Okay, for those of you who have experience or are confident enough, like I told you guys, we do have Bydfi and we also have Phemex down. The links are down there. So sign up, meet their trading volume, their trading deposits. Once you meet the deposits, they will give you free money. And once you meet their trading deposits, you start to trade. Okay, wow, start to grow that account. Yeah, it's gonna be difficult at first, but once you master this, you will start growing that account so easily. Okay, anyways, now once you signed up, you can either follow me, follow somebody else's trade, or do you. Like again, that part is not important to me. I say that before. The important part to me is that you make money, I make money, everybody else make money, and at the end, let's say in 10 to 12 months or even sooner than that, because I think this bull run is going to come to an end very, very sooner than a lot of people expect. We can sit here and celebrate, or probably pick a spot to buy or whatever. We'll travel over there and have a meetup. Okay, but anyways, now let's go look at my trades, my long-term trades, which are on Bydfi. Again, I also have a long-term trade for Jasmine, but it's on Phemex, because Bydfi does not allow me to do a 50x. You guys know I'm a very aggressive trader and I like to trade at 50x or even above. But please do not do that if you don't know what you're doing. Anyways, now let's go to Bydfi. Bydfi right here. You guys remember yesterday I was at 13,000 something. Today, due to Bitcoin doing its thing and everybody else foaming out, my trade, I am still up. but I am here at 12,476, which is pretty good. Again, I'm very happy with this because, again, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to turn this account into a 6 figures account. If you go into my contracts, quant is down 73, almost $74. Wow, which is okay for me. As you can see, I am still up 35%, which is 2,500. And again, I told you guys, I am a very aggressive trader. See that? I am trading at 50x on my quant. On my Casper, the same thing. I am down 12%, which is $372 down. And again, I'm trading 50x. That's why you see every little movement of the market affects my trades a lot. They affect either to the upside or to the downside, depending on where the market is moving. Now, looking at this here, you can see I have my take profit on quant. I have my take profit at 6,500 because I believe quant will go above it. By the time we get that price, this thing will make me $1.6 million, as you can see right there. But that does not mean I'm going to stick to that. I will also keep on monitoring the market just like I do it every day. If I see the bull run is coming to a close and we don't have the prices is not getting there, whatever the price is, that's where I'm going to take my profit. I told you guys, for my bearish price for quant is 1,500. At 1,500, my position will make me $361,000. Now, for the moderate, let's say moderate that quant does not do all that good and things go to the downside, I'm expecting quant to do at least, okay, 2,500. At 2,500, this thing will make me $613,000, as you guys have it. But my ultimate price, like I said, 6,500 for quant. Because, like, guys, you can't tell me that quant cannot hit a $50 billion market cap. That is unheard of. With everything that is coming, I think quant will probably be above 50 billion market cap this run. Anyways, now if you look at Casper, okay, I told you guys my take profit for Casper is at $10 because I believe Casper will go above $10. At $10, this position will make me $599,000, which is almost $600,000. Now, if things don't go good, my bearish price for Casper, bearish, is $4, and this thing will make me $233,000. Okay. After that, we also have $7. At $7, I think this can also make me a chunk of money, around $416,000. Again, guys, if it doesn't get there, whatever the price is, when the bull run is almost about to be over with, or when I feel like it, I will take my profit. Now, let's go look at my Phemex right quick. Phemex. Let me sign in right here. My Phemex, you guys remember, I was up almost $18,000. Okay, market corrected, which is okay by me. Look at that, we're still up almost 15,000. We are up 14,700. At 14,700, look at my contracts. If you look at my contracts, my Jasmine, I am down 7%. And again, guys, do not do like me if you don't know what you're doing. I'm trading at 50x leverage. Same goes to my Casper trade, 50x leverage. That's what I'm trading. That's why every little move, my positions, they go up or they go down. But again, I'm not worried about none of this because look, if you can check, okay, look at my liquidation. My Jasmine liquidation, 0.09, less than a cent. I don't think we're getting back there anytime. We're not getting back there. And again, look at my Casper. My Casper liquidation is 9 cents. Okay, that's another thing. See that? 9 cents. I don't think Casper is ever getting to 9 cents unless something catastrophic or something else happen. But Casper is not getting back down there, and you gotta see it. So for Jasmine, I told you guys my I have $3 here because depends on how they do the lockup. If they do the lockup perfectly, and they locked more than 30 or 40% of the coins in circulation, Jasmine can jump up to $3, and that will give me $2.4 million in profit, as you can see right here. But let's just say things didn't go that way. My highest I think Jasmine can go without this lockup is 60 cents. At 60 cents, this thing will make me $477,000. Okay, but now let's go for the take profit. You guys, Okay, I would not take profit there, but the points I'm trying to tell you that if you are day trading or you want to take profits, you can do this at 4.5 cents. Sorry, not 45. 0.045, 4.5 cents. Oh, come on, right there. This will make me $18,000. That's a good area if you want to take profit. It's the top of the falling wedge. Now, you can also look at 12 or let's say 15 cents, because 15 cents is the golden pocket. The top of the target for the bull flag is at 12 cents, but we only know the golden pocket always attract the price, so that will keep the take the price to 15 cents. At 15 cents, this thing will make me $104,000. Yeah, you can take profits there. For me, I'm not going to take profits unless I really need the cash for something. Now, the ultimate resistance, there is a lot of resistance at 20 cents, guys. I've said it before and I'll keep saying it. There is a lot of resistance at 20 cents. That's another good place that we have two options. We might get rejected there and come back down a little bit, or Jasmine might just break above it and go to 23 cents. But 20 cents is a good place you want to look at to take profits. For me, it will be $146,000. Or if it goes to 23 cents, for me, it will be $171,000. Now, that's the game I'm playing right here. But this trade for me is a long-term trade, which means I will be taking profits. Either I will look at what they are doing with their lockup at 60 cents. If they are not doing, if they are not impressing me, or I feel like there's something odd, I will take profit at 60 cents. Now, then if they are locking up and then we start seeing probably going up at $1, I will also take profits there. It depends on what they're doing at $1, and then and so on and so forth. So, yeah, guys. Let's go back right here. There you have it. Do not let people emotion dictate your trades, because you are going to lose a lot of money. Learn how to control your emotions. Okay, learn how to do that. It's happening right now because there's an FMOC meeting. Okay, due to the FMOC meeting, price is going down, and after that, you should see the price. You should see the price start to go up. As a matter of fact, let's check it right quick. Let's my trading view. Let's check it right quick. See, that's Jasmine. When we was doing this, it was like what, 2.2 cents, and now Jasmine is right back up again at 2.3 almost. See that? That's what I'm telling you guys. Everything is just plain normal. So look at the crypto bubbles right quick. See that? 2.4. Jasmine's already taken off. Sorry, 2.2. Yeah, 2.2 right there. And then you can keep on playing around with it. A lot of people are just using this fear. They're just using this fear. You know, they think like, oh, the whole market's about to crash, so they're about to lose their position, so they start closing it. Some even close at a loss. Don't be those guys. Learn how to control your emotions. Once you learn how to control your emotions, everything else will be great. Will be very, very great. I told you guys, we only got a month and a half to go, and a month and a half to go, we will be here talking about the prices of those three assets, which is Casper, Quant, and Jasmine, and you guys are about to see it. Okay, that being said, guys, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Share so that people with a millionaire minds like you and me can get, you know, see these videos, and we can exchange ideas, see what we're doing good, what we're doing bad, how we can improve and stuff like that. And please also comment. I will personally like to see what you have to say about these topics that we talk about today. I will try to respond to your comments. Okay, I will try to respond to each and every one of you. And that being said, guys, another thing before we leave, please guys, be safe out there. Do not fall prey to scams or anybody else telling you this and that and blah blah blah. You should be able to spot scams right away. No exchange will give you $100,000 for free. That is not going to happen. Things like that, you should be able to spot them out. Okay, so please be safe out there, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.